to Alembic-Manager.com. This is the Manager Manual. This manual will help managers in understanding the different areas and features of the instance so that the same can move around adequately and find ways to the right places. Let's begin with the dashboard. When you will log in with your credentials, you will be redirected to your dashboard. The dashboard consists of the following elements. User drop-down menu, which takes you to your profile page, grades, message box, and logout option. The header menu items, which include the dashboard, record of learning, team details, reports tab, performance, find learning or course catalog. The left side panel, which consists of some informational blocks about last course accessed, messages, latest badges, and latest news. The central panel on the dashboard includes Report Manager, Current Learning block, and all available categories and courses block. Let's go through the user drop-down menu. This menu consists of following links. The profile. This will take you to your profile page. Grades. This will take you to your grade overview report. This report enlists all the courses along with the grades earned in each of them. Messages. This will take you to your message box wherein you can search for contacts and add the same to your contact list and interact with your peers and other people in the organization. Let's go through the header menu items in detail. The dashboard will take you back to your dashboard. The record of learning will take you to the detailed report of the assigned learnings. The team option will take you to the list of team members along with details on the last login details, number of courses started, number of courses complete, and competencies achieved. This is how the team panel looks like. Name of the team member, last login, course started, and course completed. Let's go back to the Reports tab. This will take you to the following reports. The course-wise score, which is the report showing the course-wise details of team members along with the completion status and completion date of each course assigned to the team members. My course completion, which shows the completion status and completion date of the courses that the user is enrolled in. User trend report, which shows the trend of users on the basis of number of completed and started courses. Next is the Performance tab, and finally is the Find Learning or the course catalog, which will take you to the course catalog page. Let's also go through the dashboard left side panel. The last course accessed. This block shows the course that the user last accessed. It also has a progress bar and the last access date of the same. Messages block. This shows the recent messages that the user has received. There is also a link at the bottom of the box that takes the user to the message box. Latest badges. This block shows the badges that the user has earned. These badges can be related to learning, which is automatically assigned as per the criteria, or job performance related, which are manually given by the manager. Latest news. This block shows all the site announcements related to company, services, learning, and other activities. Dashboard central panel. Report Manager shows the three kinds of reports as discussed. The current learning block shows the courses that the user is enrolled in, and My Courses block enlists all the courses that the user can view throughout the site. Let's take a deeper look into the Profile page option. This page shows the user information, which include the user detail, which have the basic profile information and profile edit options. The job assignment block, wherein the user can edit position, department, and reporting manager. The My Learning block, which has the user's record of learning. The course detail block, which shows the enrolled in courses and their links. On the other side is the miscellaneous information block, which shows the subscribed and accessible forum posts and discussions. The reports block, which again has the link to the course completion report, which shows details on completion criteria of enrolled in courses, and the browser session report, which shows details on login, last access, and IP address. The administration block. Here there are two options. The preferences setup allows the user to configure his or her profile, password, language, subscribed forums, text editor, messaging system, and badges. The Manage Private Files option allows the user to upload and manage a set of files that will remain private to the user. The Login Activity block shows the first access and the last access on the site. Let's browse through the Find Learning or the course catalog. This page enlists the courses, displays their start date and content type along with the search bar at the top. For example, here you can see a course name Grooming Male. It starts on date 28 December 2017 and has the following content types: a certificate, a feedback, a label, a file, and a SCORM package. There are filters available that can be used to filter the course by content types and tags. Now let's jump into a course. The course page is inclusive of following elements. Left side panel. This panel consists of following informational blocks. The leaderboard. This block will enlist the user on the basis of their rank. The rank is dependent on the number of activities completed. Upcoming events block. The upcoming events block displays events from the calendar in a list view. If you click on the date of the event, you will be redirected to the day view calendar page. If the title of the event is a link and you click on it, you will be taken to that event details page. Course completion status block. The course completion status block shows what needs to be done to complete the course. The More Details link will lead to a more detailed report. Latest badges block. This block shows the badges that the user has earned. These badges can be related to learning, which are automatically assigned as per the criteria, or job performance manually given by the manager. The content panel. This is where the learning actually happens. It enlists the learning assets, each with its own completion criteria. Following are the key learning assets that you will be accessing. File. This will either be a PDF or slide, and the completion will be dependent on viewing it. SCORM. This will be an interactive content package with some embedded assessment. Feedback. This activity consists of feedback questions. Answering these will help us in refining the content and administration workflow. On completion of the learning, primarily dependent on the completion of the SCORM, you will be awarded a certificate. That is all for the Manager Manual. Thank you.